I knew there had to be a better way and a smarter way to make money online and allow me that financial freedom and time freedom that I wanted, that I needed.
This is Judd Albring, an online entrepreneur that currently makes $15,000 per month, combining all his online income streams. If you want to better understand who Judd Albring is and how he makes this amount of money using only the internet, watch this video until the end. By the end of the video, you will know exactly how he makes money and how you can copy him and become a successful online entrepreneur with several income streams. But before that, make sure to subscribe to this new channel to learn more about how to make money online. Also, if you want to speed up your success and achieve financial independence, check out the first link in the description below. Who is Judd Albring? Judd Albring is an online entrepreneur, and his main activity is being a YouTube content creator. With this activity, he developed 3 income streams, which now allow him to make over $15,000 per month. And all of that just using the internet. But Judd's life was never as easy as it may seem. Not so long ago, he used to be an Uber driver and struggled with financial problems. To change his life, he tried several businesses and jobs, but all of them failed. It was only in his last idea that he started to make real money. And that idea was to work as a YouTube content creator in the financial niche and help other people to learn about and get remote jobs. Today, he is one of the most successful YouTubers and entrepreneurs in this niche. Judd is a truly inspiring case for all those who want to start an online business and make money from home. So, let's see how he managed to develop those 3 income streams and how we can copy him. For that, we are going to analyze all his income streams from the smallest to the biggest. But before we start, just a reminder, revenue does not equal profit. Of course, he has expenditures to run his business. But what makes online businesses extremely interesting is their high margin profit that can reach 80% margins or more. So let's start. Income 1. Judd's first income stream is from sponsorships and brand deals. Although this is his lowest income stream by far, content creators are very familiar with this type of income because brand deals, or sponsorships, are very common for those who have an audience. Mainstream advertising has shifted from the ads that used to be paid to media companies and their TV shows to now being paid to content creators on social media platforms, such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Nowadays, brands are increasingly spending more of their advertising budgets with content creators. Basically, this is how it works. Companies and brands pay influencers and content creators to promote their products or services to a certain audience. According to Forbes and social backers, micro-influencers have over a 20% higher conversion rate that can help brands boost their e-commerce sales. Therefore, despite their small followings, brands can extract incredible sales value from working with micro-influencers. In Judd's case, he does these sponsorships on his YouTube channel. But at the current moment, Judd isn't focusing on this income stream. According to the latest available numbers, brand deals account for less than 1% of Judd's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $100 per month, considering a $15,000 total revenue. In his YouTube videos, Judd reveals that he probably could make a lot more money in this area because every day he receives dozens of offers from different companies and brands to work with. But he chooses to only work with companies that either he has used their products in the past and trusts them, he is currently using the product, or he would use the product in the future. So brand deals and sponsorships are his income stream number 1. Income 2. Judd's second income stream is from affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's an advertising model where affiliates earn commissions by promoting products or services from companies or other persons. Basically, this is how it works. Judd signs up in affiliate programs of companies or products that he likes or trusts. After that, he uses his YouTube videos to promote those companies and products. With that, he earns commissions on every lead or sale that he is responsible for. This type of recommendation and business model is very good for him and his audience, because through his affiliate links, new customers can get discounts or free trials. According to the latest available numbers, affiliate marketing accounts for 46% of Judd's overall revenue. Translating it in numbers, he makes about $7,000 per month, considering a $15,000 total revenue. Judd loves affiliate marketing because it's a very simple business model, and if you can do it the right way, then you can truly start making life-changing money and also create a passive income stream. An interesting fact about Judd's affiliate income stream is that he makes most of his income by promoting only 2 products to his audience. The first one is what he calls the core product, which is an affiliate marketing training that teaches people how to start an affiliate marketing business. And the second product he promotes is ClickFunnels, which is a funnel and website builder that he uses in his own online business and suggests to everyone. By the way, if you are interested in learning more about ClickFunnels and how this cool tool can make you money, check the link in the description below and try it for free the first funnel challenge. So, affiliate marketing is his income stream number 2. Income 3. Judd's third income stream is from Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a tool developed by Google that allows content creators to make advertising from third-party companies on their YouTube channel or website. In Judd's case, by joining the YouTube Partner Program, he uses Google AdSense placing ads on his YouTube videos. For those who don't know, YouTube monetization works through Google AdSense, and this is the process. When a company advertises its brand, products, or services through YouTube, AdSense places the ad on the registered YouTube video. And for each click or view made by the followers on the posted content, Google transfers a percentage of the ad spending to the content creator account. In order to participate in the YouTube Partner Program, the YouTube channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. As Judd makes both conditions and has the YouTube monetization activated, he makes money from YouTube ads. Today, Judd's channel has over 340,000 subscribers. According to the latest available numbers, Google AdSense accounts for 53% of Judd's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $8,000 per month, considering a $15,000 total revenue. Today, we can actually say that Judd is a full-time YouTuber. All his income streams are attached to YouTube as a professional content creator. It's thanks to YouTube that Judd is able to promote products and companies as an affiliate. So Google AdSense from YouTube ads is his income stream number 3. Judd's history teaches us that today, anyone can start an online business, and with the right information and knowledge, achieve financial freedom by making money online. A life lesson we can learn from Judd Albring is what he constantly says on his videos.
But the key is I never gave up and I kept at it. So if you're thinking about getting started online with an online business or a YouTube channel, you just got to stick with it. You can't give up because you never know when it's going to hit.
Well, now that you know more about how Judd Albring makes over $15,000 per month, don't forget to like the video and also to subscribe to our channel to see more videos about successful online entrepreneurs. Hopefully the next video can be about you. Finally, don't forget to check the first link in the description below if you want to change your life using the internet. We will see you in the next one. Until next time, goodbye.